y'all shit, man.
GoonZilla.
Yeah, Zilla.
Yeah.
Hit the shit first. Treo in the game, man.
Them cracking on top about 15, but like a bird I'm free now. I know these pussy niggas hating, but like a bird I can see now. You niggas don't know what I've been through. I've been through time on drama, but I'm back nigga on the block, cuz I'm trying to get me some money. Cracking on top about 15, but like a bird I'm free now. I know these pussy niggas hating on me, but like a bird I can see now. You niggas don't know what I've been through. I've been through time on drama, but I'm back nigga on the block, cuz I'm trying to get me some money. A bitch, I'm already young. 12 years old, had weed in my lung. Blue flat print plug lays on my tongue. Matt Ray home, they were labeled the slum. But me and my nigga, yeah, we called it home. Crack couldn't stand it, so they banned the nigga. They ain't give a fuck if you finna live in it. Trump had charge if a nigga even visit. Fuck it, I'm all in grip. Big 4 filled with a 30-round clip. Hollow world crip, I was built for this shit. Rick Game 100, call it dope boy magic. Rich Game Fro, got a dope boy hat. Play with a nigga, bet y'all go to yap. Tall white tee, put a face on the fabric. Loud pass smoke, can't happen on my ad. GSC, that my life just a match. Emotional pressure, my mind the best. Big body, 2 lanes, perfect 2 traps. Say to me, think about my homie, Miss Man. Hit the bottle, hit the thought I had to wear power. Fuck with my nigga, can't check God out. He gon' run up the band. Flex on your ass, I know that you watching. I know that you watch.
Woo!
Rock it on
Yeah!
15.
Westside!
On free night.
Yeah! Give y'all that shit from the west side, man. Listen, man, we just come and give y'all this shit first, man. Live from the dub, man. Big Bone this bit, man. I told y'all it was coming, man. This shit here now. Yeah, like a bird of free now. Yeah,